friends. It is a well-known fact that a wheel in motion continues to travel in a straight line till the time it has moment of inertia. So looking at that simple law of physics, a motorcycle on road is the most stable platform, and when riding a long distance without any turn or twists, it can be quite boring. The fun of motorcycling only starts when we start banking on corners. As the road becomes twisty, the rider's skill starts playing into the action. If you wish to add more adrenaline rush into this roller coaster ride, one has to go off-road, where every second gets fully charged up. Most of the time, one has to be standing on foot pegs to be ready to cross an obstacle. Trail riding is an immensely rewarding activity, bringing adventure, nature, and exploration together with like-minded people. So, to add into our adventure, we thought to ride the Back Trails 2020, an event which was held into the hidden Surge Valley by the best adventure motorcycle instructors in India.
Hello guys, once again just 2 minutes. Everybody. We are leaving now. Akshu will lead. So from the chalk in the Sanjoli Bazaar, we will turn left and go down. Further up, we will join the bypass. He'll wait for 3-4 guys. Behind him will be Arjun. Behind him will be Ravish. We are not forming the groups just now. By the time we reach that point where we'll branch off from the main road, we'll form the groups then. So there will be loosely formed groups right now. Follow, but keep about 50-100 meters distance. Don't be too close. And if you are too close, then stay to one side like aircraft formation. Don't follow behind somebody directly.
The first day had a mix of twisty tarmac, broken asphalt, dirt, gravel, and loose rocks. Majority of trails were into the beautiful forest. The twisty tarmac, winding around high peaks, looked magical, with a mix of blue sky and the green jungle.
a de-stress. It gives you an adrenaline rush. It gives you a sense of freedom. And yes, it's still a dangerous sport, I would say, or a dangerous passion, because people don't ride carefully. I would ride carefully, but the car, bus, truck drivers don't drive carefully. So they need to understand that we also need space on the road.
How's the bike?
I think till now I've done Spiti ride also on this bike.
Yeah,
I have thoroughly enjoyed it.
absolutely comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. So Vijay ji, what is this location now?
Location is Patged.
Patged.
It's below the catchment area. Sara upar catchment area. Shimla's water comes from.
Okay.
So we were at Churat Nala.
Okay.
That's where the old pumping station was.
Okay.
1883.
Okay.
Used to work on a steam engine first.
I see.
अब बिजली पे चलता है.
Okay. It is still functional?
Yeah, still.
It is supplying water
शिमला
to?
का पानी चूरट नाला से जाता है.
Okay. So this was the main point.
हाँ जी.
Okay. And where are we heading to now?
Now we are going to a place called Munda Ghat.
Munda
Under
Ghat?
the catchment area.
Okay.
Catchment के नीचे नीचे से जाएंगे.
Okay. इस एरिया की क्या खासियत है?
इस एरिया की खासियत यहाँ एक अच्छा यहाँ पर सब्जियाँ उगाते हैं.
हाँ.
ज़्यादातर डिपेंड
बहुत
ऑन
बड़ी बढ़िया सब्जियाँ गोभियाँ.
सब्जियों पे
अच्छा.
निर्भर है यहाँ की कृषि सारी.
Okay. Great. Great. Fantastic.
I think the main adventure begins now. So till now it was awesome.
So you are the rallyist.
Yeah. 15 years, but this is new.
Okay. This is for the first time? Okay. Great.
Learning.
Oh. If you have done rallies, I think you know everything about terrain.
Yeah, but with 4 wheels too.
From 4 to 2, yeah, it is difficult. No doubt. Hi.
Hi.
Soren, how are you?
Oh, amazing.
Husky is doing well?
Oh, Husky is doing well. I'm doing well, and I'm looking forward to more trails.
Okay. Great. Some of the steep downslopes and hill climbs included loose gravel, which demanded switching off motorcycle traction control and the ABS. The trail riding required precise body positioning and control on motorcycle, especially in deeply rutted gravel paths, steep inclines, descents, and tight single tracks.
हो गया? कोई बात एक मिनट, इधर ही आ जाओ, आगे ही आ जाओ, निचले वाले से। रवीश, ओके, चलो उठाओ, प्रेस पे ब्रेक। ओके, सुपर, put it in gear. Done. Okay. Now, and it'll follow over again. Set it out. Start her and take it up till there. On the other side, rut. Let's start में चाबी बंद। Just walk it till there.
We've climbed now to about 7,900 feet. Okay. We've been riding for about 2.5 hours from the time we started, and we hit the trail about 2 hours back, and it's been a mix of shade, sunshine, a lot of loose rock, maybe nearly 40 minutes of up and down with a lot of hairpin bends and maybe a little bit of technical riding.
You have done very well. I would say fantastic show.
Yeah,
fantastic.
I also had my first spill because
That's a
lack
minor
of
thing.
concentration.
Yeah.
I was switching whether I should stand or sit with the new section when we started, and I went for a nice toss.
Okay.
But fortunately, it's a 150 kilo bike.
Yeah.
So it was easy to
Pick
turn
it up
around and move.
Great.
So that was another. And I think it's so detoxing.
Yeah.
Just the fresh air. It's a cloudless, sunny day.
Yeah.
Temperature just 22 degrees.
Yes.
Awesome.
It is like heaven.
And we have the world's best cinematographer, motorbike cinematographer.
By the lunchtime, we were on a hilltop with most beautiful sight all around, and a lineup of motorcycle looked quite colorful. This 150 kilometer long ride was spent switching from forest to forest with twisty action-packed tarmac intersections and was completed in 9 hours. Day 1 was a wonderful off-roading experience, which can be a challenge even for the most seasoned riders.